Hi, my name is Thomas. Thank you take the time to watch this video today. The reason I'm contacting you today is I found your site here on the web, and I wanted to give you some pointers on how you can improve the amount of people calling your company through your website. Basically, first thing I wanted to go over your site here. You got a pretty nice site. It's very simple, very basic, and basically goes over what you did, along with some of the work that you've done. You've obviously done a very good job for some very big companies, so well done. What we really need, the biggest thing that needs to be improved on the site here is basically more content. Google loves good updated content that pushes you up in the rankings. You get seen more. That in turn helps the amount of calls you're coming in. Obviously, you get more business that way. So basically, you want to get more content into the site. The other thing that we need to really fix is your site is not mobile friendly. As people get away from desktops and laptops and go to their smartphones and tablets, basically they're not able to use your site on their phones and on their smart tablets. So this is something you want to get fixed right away and get your site up to date. So any questions or concerns, I'll leave my contact information in the email. I would love to help get this site rebuilt and basically get it up to code. So any questions or concerns, again, just give me a call and you have a good day.